In this video, I will be showing you how to get a Deepseek API key. Let's get started. To begin, I started on the Deepseek chat interface. I need to navigate to the developer platform, so I click on the Deepseek platform tab at the top of my browser. This takes me directly to the platform dashboard, where I can see my usage statistics. There is a helpful notification banner about the API pricing, and I'll go ahead and click the blue "Got it" button to dismiss it and clear up my view. Now, I look at the left-hand navigation panel. I move my cursor down and click on the API Keys option. This opens up the API Keys management page, which is currently empty because I haven't generated any keys yet. To get a new key, I click on the black button on the right side of the screen labeled Create New API Key. A small pop-up window appears prompting me to name my key. I click into the text input box and type "sample" in all capital letters as a clean label for this key. Once the name is set, I click the Create API Key button. Now, my new API key is generated and visible in the pop-up. It is very important to secure this key, as it won't be shown again, so I immediately click the Copy button. You'll see a green notification at the top confirming that it is copied. With my key securely copied, I can now click Done to close the window. The platform dashboard now displays my newly created key under the name Sample, along with today's date. Next, to test this and learn more, I'll switch back to my main Deepseek chat browser tab. I click on the text box at the bottom of the chat interface to prepare my query. I type, "What is Deepseek API key for?" and then click the blue arrow button to send the message. I'll take some time to read the helpful response from the assistant, which outlines the primary purposes of the key, such as integrating Deepseek's AI models into applications, automating tasks, text generation, and custom solutions. It also reminds me of important security notes, like keeping my API key private. Now you know exactly how to obtain and manage your key. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.